The next one is, which of these bonding is not significant to maintain quaternary structure of proteins? कोवलेंट बॉन्डिंग जो है that is called quaternary structure of protein. Which one of the following lipid exists in the polymer form? Terpenoids is called polymer forms. Which of these is not constituent of waxes, long chain alkanes? Lipids are richest source of energy due to high percentage of CH bond. The sequence of amino acids in a protein is determined by sequence of in nucleotides DNA. Which lipid is not acting as a regulatory factor in the body of human? Cholesterol. Which one in the given list is not saturated fatty acid? Butyric acid. Which type of amino acids is present on surface in tertiary structure in Q's solution? Hydrophobic amino acid. All are the feature of unsaturated fatty acid except called atherosclerosis bonding responsible for helical structure of proteins is hydrogen bond. How many water molecules are liberated during formation of one molecule of tricycloserol? 2. In chitin at carbon atom 2 hydroxyl group is replaced by, I don't know which one is the correct, so kindly if you have any uh, know about, then kindly mention in comments. The next, all carbons in a monosaccharides molecules contain carbon atoms except aldocarbon. Which type of sugar is present in nucleic acid? Ribose. Glucose and fructose differ from each other in all respects except both are enantiomers. enantiomers. The next one is, which of the following stain is used as mordant in gram staining technique? Gram iodine. Gram-positive bacteria retain which staining material? Crystal violet. Killing of microorganisms including their spores, whether pathogenic or non-pathogenic. Sterilization. Infection which result in pus formation are called pyogenic infection. Which of the following tests used to differentiate Staphylococcus from Streptococcus? Catalase test. Staphylococcus aureus produces which of the following enzyme? Coagulase. Which of the following test is used to detect typhoid fever? Vidal. Which type of fermentation is used to produce yogurt? Yeast lactic fermentations. Most common gene transfer in gram-negative bacteria take place by conjugation. Which of the following bacteria is beta hemolytic? Streptococcus pneumonia. Which of the following is cell wall less bacteria? Mycoplasma. Cluster shaped bacteria are known as cookie. TCBS, thiophosphatase citrate bile salt, is a selective medium used for the growth of Vibrio. Brown duck Brown dick test is used for the diagnosis of sterilization by autoclave machine. Congenital disease or disease present at birth. ये थे 2022 के पेपर। 2022 में अनाटॉमी के जो पेपर्स हुए हैं उसके ये मुकम्मल एक पेपर हमने एक हल कर दिया है। इंशाल्लाह tomorrow we will discuss pharmaceutical and then 2021 and 2020। उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह हम एक प्रॉपर जो है जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन उसको भी डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस पेपर। अल्लाह हाफिज।